India is now one of the biggest AI markets in the world. ChatGPT alone has over 100 million weekly users here. But here's the real question. Can all this usage actually turn into revenue? OpenAI's growth in India has been explosive. Users have quadrupled in just 1 year. India is now its second largest market after the US. But unlike the West, this is still a usage story, not a revenue story. And that makes India a critical test case for AI. For investors, the stakes are huge. If OpenAI cracks monetization here, it could unlock growth across emerging markets. And experts say India already gives AI companies a huge advantage.
I would think today India is largely a scale and usage story. And when we say usage, from a AI company's perspective, that usage brings across a lot of data and intent. And ultimately, that creates for the AI company an edge when competing with others, because you know now all the different patterns of usage, what questions people are asking, what are the problems they're trying to solve, and that obviously gives a huge leg up to any AI company. So the reason India has been, we've had a plethora of AI companies offering cheap or free services is largely driven by this metric. I mean, actually, if you go and look at the Chinese market, Chinese AI companies are paying users to use their AI chatbots.
So how is OpenAI trying to monetize India? It's not one move, it's a 4-part strategy. First, consumers. OpenAI is testing low-cost plans like ChatGPT Go to expand access in a price-sensitive market. But India's digital history shows scale doesn't always convert into paying users. And that's where the real shift begins. Second, enterprises. This is where the real money is. OpenAI is partnering with Tata Group and TCS to drive AI adoption in businesses. And monetization has already started through APIs and enterprise solutions. Third, infrastructure. OpenAI is investing in local data centers to improve performance and meet India's data needs. India generates 20% of global data, but has just 3% of data center capacity. And fourth, ecosystem. From developers to education, OpenAI is building future users early. But adoption alone isn't enough. AI becomes valuable only when it's part of real business processes. That's the core challenge. India isn't just price sensitive, it's value sensitive. Companies will pay, but only when AI delivers clear results. And that's where the AI business will be won or lost in India. Follow Business Standard for more such stories.